Hey Sagittarius, welcome to the channel. This is going to be a reading for Sagittarius soulmates. All you need to know about your person, their feelings, intentions, what can you expect from them, and where things could be going for the next 15 days. So let's start. Hope you guys are doing well. For Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. Okay. So first we take few cards for you, and then we move to your person like usual. Your overall energy, we have Five of Pentacles. Some of you guys could be feeling left out in the cold. Okay, you guys still had strong feelings for this person, but for whatever reasons things do not go your way. Okay, top card we have for you is Six of Cups. You still think about them, but you feel left out. Okay, even if you guys were trying to let this go, not really get much affected by it, I see you being affected by it now or in the coming days. I see that feeling where you feel like things are not looking good. I do miss this person regardless of whatever has happened. Okay, and it makes no sense, right? In terms of what's coming your way. With Nine of Swords, expect little ups and downs for the next couple of days, at least for the next week, where things could be a little stress. Like stressed out, like when it comes to you having anxiety, sleepless nights, not really understanding why you feel this way, uncertain. You must have felt like you kind of have moved on, but then again it comes to square one. Okay, and you feel this weird thing where you miss this person, where you do not know why you're missing them. You know all the shit that they have put you through, but that doesn't help. Okay, in terms of what to expect. Yeah, with Three of Swords, I see the next, at least the week, being a little difficult for you. You feeling heartbroken, you feeling empty, you feeling miserable. Okay, in terms of what's the overall energy going to be like for Sagittarius for the next 15 days. Some of you could also be struggling financially, where you feel like even after putting in all the efforts, you are not being paid enough, or new opportunities are not coming in. Okay, if you are into business, then you feel like things are very stagnant. In terms of what to expect, I feel for many of you, you guys are going to get some sort of closure or and sort of answer. It is going to be direct or indirect, or through someone or through your person, but you're going to get some sort of final answer. Okay, in terms of your person, in terms of your person, we have Page of Pentacles. This person will be very focused on their finances for now. Selected few of you, you're dealing with someone who's kind of a little younger than you. Okay, this person has no intentions whatsoever of getting things anywhere. They are just wanting to keep things very much, like easy going. Okay, in terms of how do they think about you now? With the Hierophant card, trust me, this person has learned a lot from you. Regardless if you guys have been in a commitment, situationship, third party, regardless, I see this person learning a lot from you. They look up to you. Some of you, you work with this individual. Okay, you might be a boss, or you might be knowing this person through work. Okay, top card we have is Four of Pentacles. This person is still in some which way attached to you. Okay, in terms of their feelings. In terms of feelings, they do not understand whether it's lust, love, or just attachment. They are clueless. Okay, to be very honest, their feelings run north to south. Okay, like unstable feelings, basically feelings that they do not trust themselves. Okay, in terms of their heart space. In terms of the heart space, yeah, there are some days where they feel in a certain way for you, that warmth, that feeling of wanting to talk, wanting to reach out, wanting to be around. But then there are days where they want to just run away. So you cannot really trust those feelings, right? Mixed feelings, in terms of their hate space. Hate space, we have Page of Swords. This person is not someone who can give you or offer you much. They're only going to offer you to a point, to get a reaction from you, or just to keep you around, basically breadcrumbing. Okay, but this person is someone who holds back a lot. They might message you, and you're messaging them again, and you might start like initiating, and then out of sudden you realize this person isn't doing much. All over again, they are just putting you to that same situation again, leaving you out in the cold, giving you one word replies. Okay, in terms of their intentions. Intention, we have Ace of Wands. So this person might still want to keep things sexual, but not very emotional. Okay, this person is not really wanting to commit to you or wanting to have a solid commitment with you. At the same time, they want to enjoy you physically, sexually. With Two of Wands, they want to keep their options open. I don't see them wanting to commit or wanting to have a very exclusive connection with you. Okay, in terms of action, we have King of Cups, which speaks about this person wanting to be warm, kind, and gentle with you in the next couple of, I won't say couple of days. It might take time. Okay, top card, we have Six of Cups, but they are heavily thinking about you. In terms of what can you expect? Yeah, with Nine of Wands, this person is definitely closed off for now, but in the coming days, I do expect them to open up. Okay, in terms of where things are going to be going for the next 7 days. King of Pentacles reverse. This person has no fucking intentions whatsoever of to offer you commitment or to be in a stable relationship with you, to stay loyal to you. No, this person wants to keep their options open. This person has no intentions of staying around. Okay, so in terms of can you trust this person, I know you have the answer, but just to recheck. No, you cannot trust this person. This person is someone who can keep giving up on you time and time again, and you're wondering why. And with the Strength card, if they have put you through shit, if you've been the one who's been going through a lot of ups and downs, some of you it's almost 5 months and more. Some of you it's almost 3 years. I'm getting a very specific message here. Okay, in terms of where things could be going for the next 15 days. With the Death card, I definitely see changes. Okay, death doesn't mean ending all the time. Okay, changes are definitely coming in. What can Sagittarius expect from their person now? Yeah, with Six of Pentacles, just like I told you, this person will put in some bits of efforts to keep you around. Mind you, they want to have a sexual connection. They are not ready for an emotional connection. They get a lot from you. Like you are their source of love, fulfillment, happiness. But at the same time, it's not balanced. They are taking from you. They are basically draining you out and giving you nothing, or basically giving you just breadcrumbs. Like scraps. Okay. Basically, with the Justice card, things should be balanced. If they are not balanced, eventually it's going to fail. It's going to make you feel used. Okay, no one likes the feeling of being used or like taken for granted, right? To some extent you're going to be a part of it, but then when you realize and you get triggered, you're going to stay away. Right now you might not be in that zone, but in the coming days you might start missing them, and you might go through that phase where you want to talk, you want to be around, you don't want to make any sense out of it, you just want to be around. So that happens, right? We all are humans, we go through phases. Okay, in terms of what's blocking them, is this person does not want to get too attached to you or doesn't want to come too close to you emotionally. Okay, with Ten of Wands, this person wants to stay focused on their personal life, their financial life. Okay, some of you, this might be a long distance relationship. They do not want to accept your offer. At the same time, they want to enjoy this connection. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. I'm not trying to manipulate you. I'm trying to give you an idea as to what your person is wanting from you. In terms of what do they want from you now? King of Swords. Right now they want your attention. They want you to possibly if they message you, they want you to return or reciprocate or possibly stay open for communication. Okay, and with Knight of Wands, they want a sexual relationship, clean and clear. Okay, so yes, in terms of what do you need to know, one message we have for you is two timing, be away. This person might be someone who is fine with two timing, okay, having a connection with you and having a connection with someone else as well. We have I am not ready. This might be for commitment. I am not ready for commitment. Okay, they haven't been for a while, I guess. Okay, Last message we have: I messed up. I know you don't deserve this. I'm truly sorry. I don't know where to go. Okay, this person might have messed up in the past. They could have chosen someone else over you. Okay, they know that you didn't deserve this, but are they changing? That's the main point, right? One can be sorry all the time and yet not change. What difference does that make, right? Inner child wounds blocked, needs a lot of healing. Your person must have gone through a lot of shit. Every time they come close to commitment, either they run away or their partner runs away, and they still got to heal with that shit. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Sagittarius for the next 15 days. If it resonates, kindly hit the like button to let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you're new to my channel, please you know like the video, because that's how you're going to get to see the video on YouTube. Okay, if you want a personal reading, please do reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers. Thank you so much.